ये तो अपने इंजीनियरिंग लोग का हो ही गई molds and dies. We have to make molds and dies in our factory. For what? For export order to the foreign exporter, original OEM, original ये export manufacturer. Mold and dies बनाते हैं factory में. So what will happen? We are going to raise an invoice to the foreign foreign customer, means our foreign this person customer. He will make the payment. We are going to show it as an export of sale. Khatam. No, this is wrong. This is wrong. So many clients are doing that. Crores and crores of money. Molds and dies. एक टाइम बनाती है 10,000 टन बनाना है माल अपने को उससे, प्लास्टिक का बनाना है, इंजीनियरिंग का बनाना है, एक्सेट्रा. बट दे शो इट एज एक्सपोर्ट ऑफ गुड्स. नो, जीएसटी ऑडिट में पकड़ करके दे आर आस्किंग सीजीएसटी, एसजीएसटी, इंटरेस्ट, पेनल्टी अप टू 25%. फॉर व्हाट? Do tax planning, which is mentioned here. First, let us understand why is this not an export of goods? Why is it not an export of goods? Export of goods का मतलब क्या हुआ? माल एक्चुअल में इंडिया का टेरिटरी से बाहर गया है, तभी तो एक्सपोर्ट होएगा सर. माल कहाँ बाहर गया? फैक्ट्री का गेट से भी बाहर नहीं गया. So this particular section 2, clause 5, as particularly mentioned, it cannot be an export. It has not been taken outside India. Place or supply. Export का 5 conditions है. Can anyone tell me? First condition: service provider India, service recipient outside India, place or supply outside India, foreign currency received. Fifth, the supplier and the recipient, they cannot be merely distinct persons. मतलब एक पैन में दो एंटिटी जीएसटी नहीं हो सकते. मतलब अपना पार्टी नहीं होना चाहिए, वो बाहर का कोई अनएसोसिएटेड पार्टी होना चाहिए. वो those are 5 conditions. Place of supply in molds and dies which never move out of the factory. It is the place where the recipient takes handover of this. Recipient है मेरा चाइना में, handover कहाँ है? फैक्ट्री में. मैं अपना फैक्ट्री में नोशनली आर्टिफिशियली उसको हैंडओवर कर रहा हूं, बना करके उसको दे रहा हूं. सो इट इज द प्लेस ऑफ सप्लाई इज द लोकेशन ऑफ सच गुड्स एट द टाइम ऑफ डिलीवरी व्हिच इज माय फैक्ट्री. प्लेस ऑफ सप्लाई इन इंडिया, माल बाहर नहीं जा रहा, एक्सपोर्ट कहां से हुआ? यू सो व्हाट इज द टैक्स व्हिच यू हैव टू पे? प्लेस ऑफ सप्लाई इन बंगाल. आई एम रजिस्टर्ड इन बंगाल सप्लायर. व्हाट? आईजीएसटी और सीजीएसटी, एसजीएसटी, सीजीएसटी, एसजीएसटी ऑन द एंटायर अमाउंट ऑफ मोल्ड्स एंड डाइज. बहुत बड़ा मतलब की प्रॉब्लम हो सकता है. Here there are 7-8 different very complicated tax planning and all as per the contract. जो initial contract से करना पड़ेगा. Few I have mentioned here because of paucity of time. What we can do is अगर कोई तरीके से अपने दिखा सकते हैं कि this is a supply of service, molds and dies का fabrication, designing, prototype, कुछ भी बोल करके that 80-90% principal supply is that of service. Goods का थोड़ा सा कम है, सिर्फ मतलब उसको चिपकाना है etc. Supply of service rules. Place of supply is recipient who is outside India. It is an export of service. There's a problem at here. But this particular arrangement, जितना भी contract में करे, this again is being challenged. This has been challenged in Precision Camshafts Limited. लेकिन इसका भी bypass है, etc. Second, supply as a composite supply. Composite supply करे अपने खाओ, जो अपना डाइज एंड मोल्ड्स का जो सप्लाई है प्लस जो कंपोनेंट्स का सप्लाई कर रहे हैं अपने जो माल बेच रहे हैं, वो दोनों को मिलाकर के एक अपनी कॉन्ट्रैक्ट बना देते हैं. प्रिंसिपल सप्लाई होगा अपना माल का जो जा रहा है एक्सपोर्ट के लिए. इफ दैट इज अंडर एलयूटी, दैट इज पेमेंट ऑफ आईजीएसटी. इसका भी ट्रीटमेंट हो सकता है टैक्स का अपने ले सके वैसे. दैट आई कैन हैव इट अंडर एलयूटी. आई डोंट हैव टू पे टैक्स.
No, actually in my case, from earlier to industry I am talking. In my case, what happened? By paying by euro or by USD dollar, paying the cost of pattern making charges. We are making pattern from local party. We are paying the amount to the local party and receiving the payment from foreign buyers, from foreign customer. So that
This
payment
is
making charges we are realizing.
Sorry?
That is our income.
What income in nature of what?
Pattern making charges.
Pattern making charges.
Pattern making.
So you're making pattern making charges, you're showing it as export of
We
supply.
are making the pattern from the local party, getting the pattern from local party, receiving, and then we are raising the bill, debit note to the foreign buyer.
So in this case, you're showing it in your balance sheet as export of service.
Not export service, pattern making charges.
Yes, sir. Pattern making charges what? Are you charging GST on this?
Export of service.
The export of service you will have to show, na?
Export of service.
Export of
Sir,
service.
you will have to show it as export of service,
Export of
showing that this is actually export of service.
Yeah.
But is your contract with your foreign manufacturer? It is as such that this will not be challenged, as in the case of Precision Camshafts. You can check this particular case law. This has similar facts and circumstances as you are saying, and this has been challenged, and the person has had to pay tax. This is not that easy, is what I am saying. This requires deliberation in certain clauses which you have to make with your foreign buyer initially in the contract with them.
And there is a contract.
This can be challenged, is what I'm saying, sir. This particular export of service, they can always say that this cannot be the principal supply. Service can never be a principal supply in molds and dies. How can it be principal supply?
Yeah.
Where is it is tangible. I can see mold and the ढांचा इतना बड़ा है. Supply service क्या है? Service, he will say it is lesser than 50%. The principal supply is the supply of goods, which is molds and dies. Molds and dies जैसे बोलेगा वैसे आपका export हुआ नहीं, because माल इंडिया से बाहर गया ही नहीं है. Service क्या है? वो तो intangible है. And second, place a supply rules in your factory. It can be turned around, is what I am saying, sir, that we have to make it airtight with tax planning. As per there are many other things.